Hi guys, it's Lara. Thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. As I've told you in my previous video, unfortunately this year I got sick and I just couldn't make any Halloween costumes. I had a really nasty flu and constantly temperature, and it took me a while until I got better, and I'm really sorry about that. Halloween videos are my favorite videos to make, especially the Halloween costumes. But that's what happened, and I just have to make the best of it. So I thought I could at least give you some last minute Halloween costume ideas. So I came up with a few ideas where you can use things that you already have or things that you can easily either buy or borrow from friends and family. So if you want to know what these ideas are, then please keep watching. By the way, I have a Halloween playlist. If you didn't know, I filmed quite a few Halloween costume ideas in the previous years, and there are also quite a few Halloween decor ideas, so I will link the playlist down below. And some of the things that you're gonna see in today's videos are also things that I also have tutorials for, so I will also link the videos down below. And now let's get into this. You could always dress like soccer mom. All you would need for this costume is a pair of jeans, a shirt, tennis shoes, a ball, and a whistle. Now, how about a handy woman? You could dress in jeans with checked shirt. You could put on some boots and a tool belt with a few tools, and voila, you have your costume. My next idea was to go as a lawyer. So you would put on either a pantsuit or a skirt with a shirt and a jacket, pumps, a bag. You would put your hair into either a tight ponytail or a bun, and I think it would be great also if you would wear some nerd glasses, and there you have your another costume. The next idea is to go as a golfer. I put on checked shorts, white shirt. You could obviously put on a white polo shirt, that would be even better. And then I put on wingtip shoes that look a lot like golf shoes. And I grabbed a putter and a golf ball, and I also put on a golf glove and a hat. For the jockey costume, I simply put on riding pants with the same white shirt I used for my golfer costume. Then I put on riding boots and my old riding helmet, and I also grabbed my old riding whip. If you live in an area where it's still warm, or if your party is at home or at a place where it's warm, you can dress up as a swimmer. You would put on either a swimsuit or a bikini. Then you can put on your bathing shoes, grab a towel, and use something as accessory like a float or anything you would take with you swimming. Or you could dress up as a runner. So I put on my leggings, a long sleeve shirt, my running shoes, and I also put around my waist my running fanny pack, and I added a pair of headphones to make it really look like I was about to go running. For ballerina costume, it's easy. You can wear a leotard and either a ballet skirt or a tutu. And you could wear this with either ballet slippers or point shoes if you have any. And don't forget to put your hair in a bun. Since it's Halloween, why not dress up as a witch? It's very simple. You can buy any witch hat you like. Then you would simply dress in black, add a few nice accessories and shoes of your choice, and you could round it up with rather a dramatic makeup. Done! Or you could be an angel. So I'm wearing here a halo and angel wings that I bought years ago. And if you got these accessories, then simply dress in white, pair it with any shoes you like. And if you want to, you could wear a blonde wig. Now, if you want to dress like a devil instead, simply dress in black. You can put on dramatic makeup and get some horns. I even had a tail and fork at home to go with my horns, and I think I have a tutorial for a pair of horns on my channel, so I will link the video down below. Do you remember the film Mr. and Mrs. Smith? put on a long black dress with a slit on one side. I have a tutorial for this dress. Nice pair of black high heels and a brown wig, and voila, you are Mrs. Smith. How about dressing as a Stepford wife? Now I'm wearing Victoria rolls and a red lipstick, and then I put on a skirt with a petticoat and a blouse. Now you could always wear a dress with a petticoat instead, and I'm wearing an apron. I have a tutorial for this apron, so I will link it down below, and of course high heels. Another idea, I call this costume simply blue. Now dress in blue or any other color you like and buy a wig in the same color, and then you can wear it with eyeshadows, lipstick and nail polish in the same color. Now my favorite one is a sleepy person. So I put on my pajamas and a bathrobe, house shoes, and I'm holding my favorite pillow for the party. And I also put on a sleeping mask on my head because that goes very well with the costume. Now, before I tell you what this is, I just wanted to say I don't want to offend anyone, and I'm certainly not making fun of mental disorders. So this costume is a germophobic person, so I get a pair of plastic gloves and a mouth guard. But since this could be a very touchy subject for someone, please keep in mind that mental disorders are not to be made fun of, and if you want to dress like something like that, maybe check with your friends and family first if they would be okay with it, because you don't want to hurt anyone, and I certainly didn't mean to offend anyone. So these were my last minute Halloween costume ideas. As I have said at the beginning, I linked down below my Halloween playlist. There are quite a few Halloween costume ideas and Halloween decor ideas, and I linked down below tutorials for some of the things that you have seen today. And if I think of something related, I will also link it down below. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are going to have a wonderful Halloween. Don't forget to check out the description box and to give the video a thumb up, because that really helps my channel. You can also subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. And again, thanks so much for watching. I love you guys so much and see you soon. Bye!